What's up, everybody? This is Mr. Storm, and this is it. This is the final assignment for the term. Next semester, we're going to dig deeper into some of these concepts we've learned, and we're going to learn how to manipulate individual images using image manipulation software, which is going to be really fun. But for right now, you need to be focused on this assignment. It's a big one. It's a really big one. And I don't want to scare you, but you need to treat this assignment with a bit of respect. Now, one note, I want to make sure you guys understand that with this assignment, it is a brochure, right? It is a Z-fold or a tri-fold brochure, however you wish to do it. And if you look through here, you will find templates for brochures. I'm not actually going to look them up because I don't want to give you any ideas. I do not want you to do a brochure from a template. Right? And I will be able to notice if you use a template. If I see you using a template, I'll probably slap your hand and tell you to start over. If you turn in a final project and it's obvious that you used a template for it, I'm not going to be too happy about it. You do not want to use a template, right? Again, we are trying to build our own designs from the ground up, so no templates. The other thing is it is going to be on an 11 by 8.5 landscape, because we want to make sure that we could print this off on a regular piece of paper. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. Ignore that. That's from the wedding assignment, the wedding invitation assignment we did weeks ago. Okay, so this is my 8.5 by 11. Now, here's the thing that might be a little confusing when you're just thinking about how to design this thing. First of all, brochures are front and back, right? So this is going to be a multi-page document. We haven't done one of those yet, so I want to go over some of the ways that you can add new pages to this document. So over here in this section, you have your pages section, and we can actually just right-click and click Insert Blank Page. And so now we have 2 pages on our document. But the problem is, if I went ahead and just started designing, I wouldn't know where the folds are supposed to be. I want to actually add some rulers so that I can figure out where I want these to be. And I want this to be split exactly in thirds. So if we divide 11, and yes, I'm bringing out the calculator because I'm a cheater. If we divide 11 by 3, we get 3.66666 repeating. Okay, so I want to drag a ruler. Nope, not a whole set of rulers. I just want to drag one rule at about 3 and roughly right in the middle there. And I want to drag another ruler over to, let's say, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, and roughly right about there. So now I have a pretty good standard for where, this is going to be the front, this is going to be the middle, this is going to be the back, right? If I'm doing a trifold. If I'm doing a trifold, this will be the front of my flyer, this will be the back of my flyer, and this will be the inside, so when I fold open the front, this will be the page that's staring at me. And we can do the same thing here. We can, on the second page, we can drag a ruler out to 3 and roughly about there. And then drag another ruler out to 7 and about there, right? So now our rulers are in pretty much the same spot. So now I can go ahead and start designing. And, I just wanted to show you the rulers there because that's going to really help you with making this design look the way you want it to. Again, if you try to use a template, it's not going to work out for you. You're going to have a really hard time trying to make a template work with this design. But just this is going to be your, this is going to be how you build your thing. So this is going to be front. We'll actually make that bigger. And you can do this on yours just so you can kind of keep it good in your mind. You can remember where everything's supposed to go. Back. And inside. Inside 1. We'll call that inside 1. and we will make that like 20. And then on the second page, this will be, inside 3, inside 4, inside 5. So the second page is going to be if you have it completely open, completely folded out, then this is what's inside the brochure, completely folded out. This is going to be the outside flaps of the brochure. Again, front, back, and the inside. Now, if you're doing a Z fold, it's different. It's a little bit more, so the Z fold, this would be not there. So this would still be the front. This would be that's hard to describe. This would be the panel underneath the Z fold, and this would be the panel facing that one. And then over here, this would be the inside flap. This would be the right side of the inside flap, and then this would be the back. So you've just kind of you gotta have to visualize it yourself. It helps if this is definitely the kind of document where you want to sketch this out first. You want to grab a piece of paper, fold it the way you want it to be folded, and design everything out the right way so that it actually looks the way you want it to look. Sketch it all out, and then you can start designing on Publisher. Definitely don't just come at this cold, because you're gonna make mistakes. This is one of those assignments where you have to sketch it out first. You definitely have to have an idea before you start designing. All right, I'm gonna shut up and let you get to work. I just wanted to show you those couple of things, and I will get out of your way and let you impress me. All right, make me proud, and I will see you next term. All right, bye.